Hi everyone, it's James in Japan. You're looking at my iPhone 6 Plus. And I know it's early in the morning, it's 5:09. I'm having battery problems. Every time I charge it up to 100% and remove the cord, I lose a lot of battery power. Like 4% each time within 20 minutes. And that's not even using the apps. There's nothing wrong with the battery itself. Let's take a look at my peak performance. As you can see, 90%, so it's in good health. So I'm going to do a system reset and restore from iCloud. I've already backed up everything. So I'm going into my Apple ID, Cloud, iTunes, and App Store. Select iCloud. I've already backed up everything, but here's a look. Take a look at the backups. Last backup yesterday. It is December 2nd, 2019. The last backup was on December 1st. Okay, I'm going to do it. So from the settings, hitting General, and I'm going to do a reset at the bottom. Now this is the first time to do this, so I'm a little scared. It means goodbye data. I'm trusting that I have everything backed up. Erase all content and settings. I've already backed up everything, so erase now. I'm going to input my code. Erase phone. Are you sure? Yes. Okay, it's asking for my Apple ID. It worked. This is the scary part, okay? It's doing its thing. I believe it's erasing all contents, all my important information. I'm going to retrieve my important stuff from iCloud. I'm doing this all at 5:22 a.m. I'm getting all the instructions from Apple support. It's done. Wow. This is scary. It means everything's wiped out. Okay, I'm going to cross my fingers. Please, put everything back. I'm going to choose English, of course. My region is Japan. Set up manually. I'll be back. I forgot what the code is. Okay, I'm going to type in my router number, my password number. Okay, it worked. Data and privacy, blah, blah, blah. Continue. Done. Adjust your grip. Okay. Place your finger again. Complete. All right. Okay, restore from iCloud backup. Yes, please. Apple ID. Hang on. My email. Now it's asking for my password. Next. Okay, I'm gonna have to do it over there. The internet sucks over here. Yesterday. Keep your iPhone up to date. I'm just going to enable location services. Set up later. It's Apple's job to figure it out. Restore from iCloud. Okay, it's going to take some time, so I'll be back and I'll let you know what happens. Hopefully, everything is restored properly and the phone works properly. Sorry, it's out of focus. Anyway, I'll be back. It's 5:44 a.m. The current time is 8:05 and now it is time to check my phone. I had to step away from my phone for a while because I had to do some morning chores. I'm going to type in my code. Yes, it looks pretty good, and hopefully after unplugging this, the phone battery won't drain so quickly. Okay, I'm going to have to input a few things. But everything looks pretty good. Yep, internet is working. Oh, wait, let's test out YouTube. No thanks. Okay, everything looks pretty good. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.